Hello friends, welcome. I am Vipul Patel. Today I teach third use of the dimension analysis. Now we show our first question 2.17. Consider a simple pendulum having a bob attached to a string that oscillates under the action of the force of gravity. Simple pendulum is a oscillate. Okay, suppose that the period of oscillation of the simple pendulum depend on its length L, mass of the bob m, and acceleration due to gravity g. To derive the expression for its time period using method of the dimension. Friends, this is a most timely question. Okay. So friend, first of all, we can write down period of oscillation of the simple pendulum means T. It is denoted by T. Is directly proportional to length. Length means L. Acceleration due to gravity means G. And mass bob M. But what is the power of L, G and M is unknown. So we assume here L raised to X, G raised to Y and M raised to Z. Suppose now we want to remove the proportionality sign. So now we take constants. So T is equal to K. L raised to X, G raised to Y and M raised to Z. This is equation number first. Okay. So now we can write down the dimension formula on both sides. Dimension formula periodic time is a M0, L0, T1 is equal to. Okay, here K is a constant and its dimension formula is M0, L0, T0. Okay, so neglect this. Here L is the length. So its dimension formula is M0, L1, T raised to 0 and power X. Same. G for gravitational acceleration means acceleration and its dimension formula M0, L1, T minus 2 raised to Y. And here M is a mass. So its dimension formula is M1, L0, T0 raised to Z. Okay? Friends, first of all, power is multiply. Means M raised to 0 into X means 0. L raised to 1 into X, so L raised to X. T raised to 0 into X means 0. Here, same way, M raised to 0 into Y, 0. L raised to 1 into Y, Y. T raised to minus 2 into Y means minus 2Y. And here, M raised to Z, L0 and T0. Friends, here now we apply one rules. Here base are same. So power are added. Means M raised to 0 plus 0 plus Z. L raised to X, L raised to plus Y, L raised to 0. Same way, T raised to 0 minus 2Y plus 0. And left hand side, M raised to 0, L raised to 0, T raised to 1. Again, left hand side and right hand side, base are same. So power is also same. Means here, first of all, we can write down m0, L0, T1. Here m raised to z, L raised to x plus y, and t raised to minus 2y. Means z is equal to, base n is the same, so power is also same, means z is equal to 0. Same way, x plus y is equal to, here right hand side x plus y, here power of the L is 0, means x plus y is equal to 0. And for t, here power of the t is minus ty, here power of the t is 1, means minus 2y is equal to 1. Okay, so friend, first of all, now we want to find out value of x, y and z. Z is already available, z is equal to 0. But now we want to find out value of x and y. So here, look here, minus 2y is move right hand side. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So value of y is available. This value of y is substituting in this equation. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Means minus 1 by 2 move right hand side. So x is equal to plus 1 by 2. Means 1 by 2. Okay. So value of x, y and z are substituted in equation number first. So we get t is equal to, k is a constant, L raised to x, and here x raised to x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, g raised to y, and here y is equal to minus 1 by 2, and m raised to z, and z equal to 0. Okay, m raised to 0 means 1. So here t is equal to k L raised to 1 by 2 upon g raised to 1 by 2. Okay, friends, here k is a constant, and now we take k is equal to 2 pi. So we can write down t is equal to 2 pi, here L under root L upon g. Instead 1 by 2 we can write down root. Okay, so now we get one formula, t is equal to 2 pi under root L upon g. Friends, our next question. An object is falling freely under the gravitational force. Its velocity after traveling a distance h is v. Means velocity is v. If v depends on gravitational acceleration g and distance h, then with the help of dimension analysis, formula of velocity is blank. Friends, here velocity is directly proportional to gravitational acceleration g and its height h. Okay, but its power is unknown, so we assume here g raised to x and h raised to y. Okay, suppose now we want to remove the proportionality sign, so v is equal to k g raised to x h raised to y. Equation number first. So friends, first of all we can write down dimension formula of velocity. Its dimension formula is m0 L1 t raised to minus 1. Here k is a constant and its dimension formula m0 L raised to 0 t raised to 0. So we cannot write it. But gravitational acceleration, its dimension formula is m0 L1 t raised to minus 2 raised to x. And here h for height. So its dimension formula m0 L1 t0 raised to y. Okay. m raised to 0, l raised to 1, t raised to minus 1. Friends, first of all, multiply. M raised to 0 into x means 0. L raised to 1 into x means x. T raised to minus 2 into x means minus 2x. Again, m raised to 0 into y, 0. L raised to 1 into y, y. And t raised to 0. Friends, here base are same, means m. So, add the power means m raised to 0 plus 0, l raised to x plus y, and t raised to minus 2x plus 0. Means m raised to 0, l raised to x plus y, and t raised to minus 2x. And left hand side, m raised to 0, l raised to 1, and t raised to minus 1. Friends, here left hand side and right hand side, these are same. So power also same, means 0 into 0. Okay, x plus y is equal to 1. Here now we can write down x plus y is equal to 1. And minus 2x is equal to minus 1. Minus 2x is equal to minus 1. So friends, first of all, now we want to find out value of x. So minus 2, move right hand side. First of all, minus sign both sides. Now we take cancel. So 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So value of x is available. X is equal to 1 by 2. This value is substituting this equation. So 1 by 2 plus y is equal to 1. This 1 by 2 is moved right hand side. So we can write down y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Means 2, 1 is 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2. So value of x and value of y are available. This value are substituted in equation number first. So we can write down v is equal to k g raised to x and x raised to 1 by 2. H raised to y, but y is equal to 1 by 2. Friends, here now we want to remove raised to 1 by 2. So now we take root gh. So v is equal to k under root gh. Here k is a constant. So this is the relation between velocity, gravitational acceleration, and for height h. So friends, you first of all prepare this question. It is very IMP question. Thank you.